Okay, for 7-7, they want us to basically solve a word problem using a system of equations. So there's bread and soup. So we need our let statements, right? Let, S represent the cost of can of soup. And what's the other one? Loaves of bread. Let B equal the cost of loaf of bread, right? Okay. So the first one buys 4 cans of soup, 4S, and 3 loaves of bread, 3B, for $11.67. And the other one buys 8 cans of soup plus 1 loaf of bread for $12.89. So there's A, right? There's A. Write the equations, right? And now B, they want us to solve it. So a couple ways we can do this. I don't know, let's multiply the top equation by -2. So we'll cancel out the s's, right? So I have -8s, right, minus 6b equals, what is that, 14, carry the 1, 12, 13, carry the 1, 23, negative 23, 34, right? And then 8s plus b equals 12.89, right? Okay, so now we'll add the two. So the 8s and -8s cancels out. -6b plus 1b is -5b. And remember that's -2334 plus 12.89 is -1045, right? And now if we divide both sides by -5, right, we get B equals 209. So clearly the loaf of bread costs $2.09. So now we need an equation to substitute into. Let's just use this one, right, because it already has it. So 8s plus b, which is 209, equals 12.89. Now we subtract 209 from both sides, right, and we get 8s equals 0, 8, 10, 1080. And we divide both sides by 8, right? So we have 1080 divided by 8 gives us $1.35. S equals 135. So we would now write out that soup, 1 can of soup, is $1.35, and the bread, 1 loaf, is $2.09.